How to enable call recording on your iPhone. If you've ever wanted to save an important conversation or keep a record of a phone call, this feature can be really helpful. Many iPhone users don't realize that there is a call recording option available in the settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to turn it on in just a few simple steps. Now, to do this, you first need to open the settings on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Next, scroll down again until you find the phone app and go ahead and tap on it. After that, scroll down the page until you see Audio Call Recording and tap on that option. Now simply make sure the toggle is turned on just like you see here. Once you've done that, you can close the settings window. Then go ahead and make a phone call and you will be able to record the call. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.